Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Please excuse the glare of the sun. It's actually a super gorgeous day today. It is Sunday, May 16th. I'm not doing an overnighter this weekend because this is the first, my work hours have changed, so this is the first weekend off I've had in like over a year. And sorry about that. It's going to be a very busy weekend because there's a lot of traffic going around. I'm actually at a side of the road campsite, which I'll show you. There's the road here. You know, like up there where I would park for forest camp, and I'm literally like right here on the side of the road campground that I didn't even think it was going to be open. I expected everything to be shut down, but they may have just left too, even though it's only like 11 a.m. You know, a lot of people will camp the weekend and they bail out pretty early on Sunday morning. Or it just was never taken, which, bonus for me, I was going to trudge off into the woods, which was my plan, but I saw this was open. I'm like, well, I'll just go here and then not trudge. And here comes another car. Yeah, that won't get old quick. So anyway, I'm going to be touching up my blade first, and then we jump into the drawing, and I'll give away the, I actually have two of these, and I had a question how much shipping was on this, and the truth is, what I did, if you go to Etsy and you type in, what I did is I typed in bushcraft knives, and then there's a filter option. You can filter by cost, and you can filter by, you can select free shipping. So I got this for, shipping was free on this knife because I simply selected free shipping, and then I also selected what price range I wanted to go to. I think I went from $1 to $30, and I did that specifically because one, I was just looking for a knife to give away, and so I ended up getting two, one for myself and one to give away to one of my viewers. So before we change up plan, I'll go ahead and do the drawing, and I recorded that at home on my sticker board, so I'll just cut right to that. We'll see who's going to win it, and then I'll touch this guy up. Alright, so this is for this knife from Antelope Country. Here's the box, unopened. Just remove my address and everything, because, you know. Here's all the commenters. Draw one out. Piece of paper. StreetBoyzOutdoors. Congratulations, you are the winner. I will send you an email, or just contact me and let me know, and I'll try to hook up get your address. Cool. Okay, I wanted to say real quick before another car comes that I'm kind of trying to limit these giveaways to US only, and I do apologize for that. I apologize for that because shipping outside the US has just become insanely expensive, so there we go. Alright, so many congrats to StreetBoyzOutdoors. I will try to reach out to you, go to your page, see if you have an email. If not, look for the pinned post. I'll have my email in there. Man, the traffic right now is insane. There must have been at least half a dozen cars in just a short time I've been here. Ridiculous. Anyway, look for the pinned post with my email, and let's get to touching up. Finally. Alright, hopefully the sun glare isn't too bad. I'm like right on the side of the road and there's a lot of glare, so I won't know until I get home and post. You know, when I edit. So, I'm not actually trying to sharpen this knife or fall over. I'm just trying to just touch up the blade a little bit. A little technique I saw on YouTube. Just rubbing the knife back and forth, so I decided to give it a try. Unpracticed, but not trying to do a whole lot of pressure. Just kind of letting the weight of the knife do the work. And I get my strop out as well. Alright, so some of you might be thinking, well, I don't remember there being a giveaway announced. And the truth is, I didn't make one. And the reason is because I know people search for giveaways. They search for giveaways, they sub the channel, they do what they got to do to win, and then once they win, they unsub and they move on. And I don't want, frankly, I don't want stuff going, I don't want a knife going to someone who's not an actual viewer. And every comment I saw on my video were people who watch on a regular basis, and that's who I want to win. So, sorry, but the video's been up for weeks. So you had more than enough chances to go and look it up. Leave any kind of comment would have worked. It was just, you just said hi, 2 letters, and I would have entered you. So, well, that's just, it is what it is. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Congrats to the winner. We'll get a hold of you as quick as I can and get that knife off to you. I'm probably going to throw in one of the leather lanyards, a chunk of leather for the lanyard that I have on mine, just because I like the way it looks. And then maybe I'll throw in a couple of odds and ends. We'll see. I'm probably going to use one of those flat rate ship boxes, and I'll get that off to you as quick as I can. So as always, I appreciate you watching, all of you again, and I'll catch you in the next video. And there's actually going to be another giveaway too down the road, so remember to comment. So yeah, that's the meal ticket right there.